The Harley-Davidson FXLRS Lowrider S has long been one of the most iconic performance cruisers on the road. For 2025, the story gets even better. The new Lowrider S now comes with an enhanced Milwaukee-Eight 117 high-output powertrain, delivering even more aggressive performance. Power has climbed from 105 horsepower to an impressive 114 horsepower, while torque rises from 168 to 173 Nm. That means stronger acceleration, better response, and a riding experience that feels raw yet refined. At the heart of this machine is the V-twin Milwaukee-Eight 117 high-output engine. It's equipped with a high-flow elbow-type breather intake and, new for 2025, a blacked-out 2-in-1 exhaust system. This system not only maximizes airflow for better performance, but also produces a deep, throaty sound that every rider will love, all while using lightweight acoustic materials for improved efficiency. Like all 2025 Harley-Davidson cruiser models, the Lowrider S now features selectable ride modes. Riders can fine-tune the personality of the bike at the touch of a button. Cruise control is easier than ever to operate with new hand controls, and modern convenience is also in mind, with a USB-C port ready to charge your devices on the go. Add in the long-stroke rear suspension, and you get a ride that's both comfortable and responsive. The 2025 lineup offers the Lowrider S in 5 different colors, giving riders plenty of ways to make the bike their own. But Harley-Davidson didn't stop there. The Lowrider ST also gets serious upgrades for 2025. It features a Milwaukee-Eight 117 with a redesigned cylinder head, throttle body, and intake manifold. This 4-valve cylinder head brings improved combustion efficiency, while the aluminum intake manifold provides a more direct air path. A low-profile intake valve seat improves durability while keeping the engine light and responsive. Another advantage of this new system is simplicity. Instead of using a radiator like the Grand American Touring models, the Lowrider ST and S continue with a smart air and oil cooling system, featuring an oil cooler mounted between the frame down tubes. This setup reduces weight and eliminates coolant maintenance, while still keeping the big V-twin running efficiently. With a bore of 103.5 mm and a stroke of 114.3 mm, this Milwaukee-Eight displaces a massive 1923 cubic centimeters. And with the high output intake and exhaust settings, riders can enjoy a redline that's been increased from 5600 to 5900 RPM, offering even more freedom in the upper range of the revs. The result is clear. Both the Lowrider S and Lowrider ST deliver a unique mix of raw cruiser attitude and modern performance engineering. They're built for riders who want a sportier edge, with the unmistakable style and sound that only Harley-Davidson can provide.